What's happening? Hi everybody, guess where we're at? Well, maybe you guessed. You probably saw the title, so you don't have to guess. But right now, we are at Hoover Dam.
In the daytime.
In the daytime. We came in the nighttime, and I tried to get some footage of that, and it wasn't so great. So,
I'm not blind.
yeah, so just to kind of catch you guys up, we drove out of Texas on Sunday, and we spent an amazing couple of days just getting across country, and just spent the last couple of nights in Vegas. And we spared you guys of all that details, number one, because it was kind of a vacation for us, and we had other business there, so we took care of that. And number two, we've just been doing a lot of talking, and so we want to show you some action on this one. So we're starting right with the action. We're here at Hoover Dam.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Heck yeah, I'm excited.
Okay, so we're about to go down here. We're going to show you that. And then from here, we're going to Area 51, or as close as we can get to Area 51. And we're going to camp and see what kind of weird stuff we see tonight.
I'm super pumped about my shirt. My shirt is like aliens are my homies. So I think, you know, who knows what's going to happen?
Who knows? All right, let's go see.
Let's do it.
Here we go.
So excited to see this. I gotta get my camera ready.
Get your camera, girl.
Get my girl.
Here we go. So also, we're testing out our new Anvil overland system that I installed in the Jeep. So, and I'll show you guys some footage of that right there. Oh, such a pretty drive down here. There's a lot to see. So we're coming up on this huge bridge that crosses over the river below on the other side of the dam. And it used to be, you can see it in the photo right there.
This bridge is crazy.
Yeah, it's massive. I can only imagine what those guys went through to build it. Same with the dam. I mean, the dam is really impressive. If you've ever been down here, you know what I mean. But you used to, like, last time I was here about 20 years ago, you used to be able to drive. That's how you came across. You would come across the Hoover Dam. You could actually get out and park there. So that's what we're going to do. But now they have designated parking spots. And you got to get searched before you come down here. So
we've been searched.
We've been searched twice.
I don't think we look suspicious. We look like,
you know,
I would let us in.
I would let us in too.
Especially when they see me, they're like, what a sweet lady.
This charming young lady here.
What a sweet lady. Let her come in, but no. Search her.
Mm-hmm. Trust no one. Hi, doing well. How are you?
Pretty good.
Good.
Good. You gonna park here?
Can we?
Okay, yeah.
Awesome.
$60
Okay. Okay. We're going to get out of this Jeep and we're going to walk across the Hoover Dam and we're going to show you everything along the way. So here we go.
Here we go.
We're on the other side, like on the Arizona side right now. This is the back side of the dam, the Lake Mead Reservoir on this side. And this is actually a spillway with a diversion tunnel. And so when the water comes over the ledge right there, it runs down and over across the spillway. And all the water goes down inside that giant tunnel and it gets diverted around the dam and back into the Colorado River.
Did you know 21,000 men and women worked on this Hoover Dam?
Yeah.
And they would make approximately 50 cents. Was it 50 cents an hour?
50 cents an hour, yeah. The top paid guy made $1.25 an hour.
Yup.
There were 96 deaths, right?
Yes, 96 deaths and an estimated 590 foot deep.
There's the parking lot that we came from. Okay, so we're about to cross the street and look right down the edge of the wall now. Hopefully we don't get ran over in the process. Whoa. Check this out. Wow, what a view. This incredible structure is a must-see if you're traveling through this area. Make sure to watch for the signs though, because you can't see the dam from the new bridge, and you'll blink and miss it.
Wonder what those symbolize.
So this is Monument Plaza. They say it was commissioned to celebrate the feat of engineering embodied by the dam and to commemorate those who lost their lives during its construction. So the artist was Oscar J.W. Hansen, and he started in 1936 and was completed in December of 1937. So it's 85 years old, and right now they're working on it, so doing a little bit of reconstruction. It's a little bit of a mess, but the statues are super cool. There's a visitor center back there and gift shop and snacks and all that stuff. We decided not to go over there because
We got aliens.
we got aliens to hunt, man. So that's what we're fixing to do.
Crazy if something spooky happened tonight.
Well, we're gonna see.
Do you think anything will really happen?
I've heard reports or
Like what?
read reports that people see strange things out there.
What's strange that I don't see every day when I wake up and look at you? But like what?
Well, like strange lights and testing aircraft and
Do you think they're really gonna do that?
yeah, they do what they want. They're the United States government. Here's some more shots of Lake Mead.
You think we lost like a pound or two in sweat?
At least.
I think so.
Beep beep. We almost had a multi-car insurance seminar.
People on the damn phone.
What else you got to say? You got something else to say. Put it on record.
See what I put up there? She's gonna get a spanking today. She doesn't even know. It's a long walk home, woman. A long walk home.
Let me just grab my tea.
All right, so we're just gonna wrap it up, and we're about to head to Area 51.
Yeah. Let's see the world. Let's see it.
All right, we'll catch y'all in the next one. I do believe that was one of the dam markers.